Okay, so example 4. I've got 5 squared by 125 to the power of a third over 5 over 20 divided by 25 to the power of 5 over 2 multiplied by 5 cubed equals 5 to the power of n. And I want to find n where n is z. N is just an integer, a full number. So n here is in the powers. Anytime we have something up in the powers, we need to make all our base numbers the same. So all of these base numbers need to be the same. Now in this case it's pretty easy. We can express all of them as powers of 5. So obviously I've got 5 squared multiplied by, now what's 125? So 5 squared is 25 and 5 cubed is 125. So instead of 125 I can write 5 cubed. That's to the power of 1/3. Now I've got 25 over 5 to the power of 2. So 25 can be written as 5 squared. 5 squared is 25, and that's still 5 over 2 multiplied by 5 cubed equals 5 to the power of n. So let's tidy up. So in this situation I multiply. So 3 times 1/3 is just 3/3. So 5 squared by 5 to the power of 3 over 3, which of course is 5 to the power of 1. Then I've got multiply 2 multiplied by 5 over 2 is 5 to the power of 10 over 2. And multiplied by 5 cubed equals 5 to the power of n. And we'll keep tidying up. So that's 5 squared multiplied by 3 divided by 3 is 1, so it's 5 to the power of 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5, so it's 5 to the power of 5 multiplied by 5 cubed equals 5 to the power of n. Now, our base numbers are the same, so what do we do when we multiply? We add our powers. So 5 squared by 5 to the power of 1 is 5 cubed. Base numbers are the same, and we're multiplying, so what do we do to our powers? We add them. So 5 plus 3 is 8, so 5 to the power of 8 equals 5 to the power of n. And finally, I've got base numbers, and they're dividing, so what do we do with our indices? We take away. That's 5, now be careful with this one, 5 to the power of 3 minus 8 equals 5 to the power of n. So it's 5 to the power of minus 5 equals 5 to the power of n. So our base numbers are the same, so our indices must be the same. So n is minus 5.